High in the western Ghats of India, shrouded in mist and carpeted in emerald green, lies Coorg. This small district, officially known as Kodava, has earned the endearing nickname the Scotland of India. The moniker speaks volumes about Coorg's captivating beauty, a landscape that evokes images of rolling hills, cascading waterfalls, and a sense of tranquility that seems worlds away from the bustling Indian plains. It is a land where coffee plantations paint the hillsides, where the air is thick with the scent of spices, and where ancient temples whisper tales of a rich and storied past. Coorg is a feast for the eyes. Imagine verdant hills that seem to stretch endlessly towards the horizon, their slopes blanketed in a patchwork of vibrant greens. Towering trees, their branches heavy with exotic fruits and fragrant blossoms, rise from the forest floor. Waterfalls like silver ribbons cascade down rocky cliffs, their roar a constant reminder of nature's power. The air is alive with the songs of unseen birds, their melodies echoing through the valleys. The true stars of this natural tapestry are the coffee plantations. Coorg is one of India's largest coffee-producing regions, and the sight of these meticulously maintained estates, their dark green leaves shimmering under the sun, is simply breathtaking. The aroma of coffee beans drying in the sun fills the air, a sensory experience that is both invigorating and intoxicating. The comparison to Scotland is not merely a poetic flourish. There is a certain wildness, an untamed beauty to Coorg's landscape that echoes the rugged charm of the Scottish Highlands. The rolling hills, often shrouded in mist, evoke images of the Scottish moors, while the cool, crisp air carries with it a hint of the Highlands' invigorating climate. But the similarities extend beyond the visual. There is a shared spirit of adventure that permeates both lands, a love for the outdoors and a deep respect for nature. Whether it's trekking through the Western Ghats or exploring the Scottish Highlands, both experiences offer a chance to connect with the wild beauty of the natural world. No journey to Coorg is complete without a visit to Abbey Falls. This majestic waterfall, plunging from a height of 70 feet, is a sight to behold. The roar of the water as it crashes onto the rocks below is both exhilarating and awe-inspiring. Surrounding the falls is a lush rainforest, home to a variety of flora and fauna, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts. For a truly unforgettable experience, head to the Dubar Elephant Camp. Located on the banks of the River Corvery, this camp offers a unique opportunity to interact with elephants in their natural habitat. Visitors can watch these gentle giants bathe in the river, help with their daily care, and even enjoy an elephant ride through the forest. Section 5. The aroma of tradition, coffee and culture in Coorg. Coffee is not just a crop in Coorg, it's an integral part of the region's culture and identity. Generations of Kodava families have dedicated their lives to cultivating this aromatic bean, and their passion is evident in every aspect of coffee production. From the meticulous care given to the plants to the traditional roasting methods that have been passed down through centuries. The Kodavas, the indigenous people of Coorg, are known for their warm hospitality and their distinct culture. Their traditional attire, with men donning long coats and women wearing distinctive jewelry, adds a splash of colour to the landscape. Their cuisine, a blend of spicy and tangy flavours, is a culinary adventure in itself. Section 6. Festive spirit celebrating life in the hills. Coorg's cultural calendar is punctuated by vibrant festivals that offer a glimpse into the region's rich traditions. One of the most important festivals is Pod, a harvest festival celebrated with great enthusiasm. During Pod, homes are decorated, traditional dances are performed, and feasts are shared with family and friends. Another significant festival is Putari, which marks the end of the paddy harvest. During Putari, farmers offer prayers for a bountiful harvest, and the festivities are marked by music, dance, and a sense of community spirit. These festivals are a testament to the Kodava's deep connection to their land and their traditions. Section 7. Adventures in nature, trekking and birdwatching. Coorg is a paradise for adventure seekers and nature enthusiasts. The region is crisscrossed by numerous trekking trails, each offering breathtaking views and a chance to immerse oneself in the beauty of the Western Ghats. From easy walks through coffee plantations to challenging treks to mountain peaks, There's something for everyone. Birdwatchers are in for a treat in Coorg. The region is home to a diverse avian population with over 250 species of birds recorded. From the Malabar grey hornbill to the white-bellied blue flycatcher, the forests of Coorg are alive with the colours and songs of these feathered creatures. Section 8. The climate. A breath of fresh air. Coorg's climate is as appealing as its scenery. Perched at an altitude of over 3,000 feet, the region enjoys a cool and pleasant climate year-round. The air is fresh and invigorating, a welcome change from the heat and humidity of the plains. The monsoon season from June to September transforms Coorg into a magical wonderland, with waterfalls cascading with renewed vigor and the hills blanketed in a lush green carpet. Whether you're seeking adventure, relaxation, or a cultural immersion, Coorg's climate offers the perfect backdrop for your journey. It's no wonder that this region is often referred to as the Scotland of India, a testament to its captivating beauty and refreshing ambience. Section 9. Conclusion. A part of me remains in Coorg. My journey through Coorg was more than just a travel experience. It was a sensory awakening. The sight of rolling hills carpeted in emerald green, the aroma of coffee blossoms filling the air, the sound of waterfalls crashing onto the rocks below. These are the memories that I carry with me. As I bid farewell to this enchanting land, I couldn't help but feel a sense of longing, a desire to return to this haven of tranquility. Coorg, with its natural splendor, its rich culture, and its warm hospitality, had captured a part of my heart, and so I left a piece of myself behind, knowing that I would forever cherish the memories of my time in the Scotland of India.